Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is RJ Monica and I'm at Pondicherry. Already I have posted my day one vlog. If you haven't watched that vlog, do watch that and start watching this video. And if you're new here, do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more such videos. So here is my Instagram ID. If you're there at Instagram, let's get connected there too. It's day 2 and we thought it would be a nice idea to start a day with French breakfast. So we are on our way to Auroville Cafe. So our hotel was located in ECR Highway, so it was around 6 kilometers to Auroville Cafe. So if you're near White Town in Pondicherry, it will be around 10 to 15 kilometers. After getting some yummy breads, we came to this self-service Auroville Cafe. I ordered some bagel sandwich and we had this choco muffins and fudge brownie and also coconut cake. They also have options like dosa and idli for the South Indian varieties. After having this yummy breakfast, we are about to visit Auroville right now. It was about 4 kilometers from the Auroville Cafe to this Matri Mandir. So I'm excited to see this visitors camp. I have read a lot of things about this Auroville community. So I'm excited to know about it better. So to let you guys know about Auroville, Auroville is an experimental township. This township is home to about 2,500 people. Like they are from 49 different countries. Visitors from all over the world come here to seek some spiritual guidance, attending some workshops, or simply to visit this place. So Auroville is based on the mother and also Sir Aurobindo's philosophy. Auroville believes in the service of truth beyond the religious conviction. There is no concept of religion in this place. It do have a temple called Matri Mandir, but it does not belong to any religion or sector. It is only built for this meditation and the connection with the nature purpose. As a day tourist visiting the Matri Mandir, we can't go inside the Matri Mandir. So however, if you want to go inside the Matri Mandir to meditate, you need to make a booking in advance. So the walk for this Matri Mandir viewpoint is about 1.5 kilometer from the visitor center. So while I was speaking to an Aurovillian, he said that Auroville is not a touristy destination. A weekly bulletin will be issued for them every Friday with the list of events which is going to happen that week or seminars. So they do have some regular events like weekly farm tours, movie screenings, cultural events, and also they have cultural activities by different communities. So if you're staying at Auroville, you can also find about these classes and be a part of them. Shopping here was awesome. They have this super cute boutiques full of locally handcrafted clothes, books, and jewelry. And they also have this local organic fruit, gorgeous candles, essential oil. So I have to admit all the products at this place was bit expensive, so I end up getting nothing. Our morning just went by visiting Matri Mandir. Now it's lunch time. So after visiting Auroville, we are here at Kamachi Biryani Video. It's a very famous restaurant in Pondicherry. It is a compact and regional style restaurant. It has a very good variety of typical South Indian style cuisines. They have this yummy seafoods also. So if you're not a fan of spicy food, this is not the place for you, because everything about this restaurant was spicy. The only sad thing about this restaurant is the restaurant was much crowded and it was a very small place, so it was like tightly packed for the lunch time. I had this mutton biryani with nethili fish fry. Prem had meals. The other most suggested place in Pondicherry is Sacred Heart of Basilica. Right after from this church, I'm here for this tender coconut. So after lunch, our plan was to visit Paradise Beach. To visit Paradise Beach, we have to go to the Chunabar Boat House. Now I am here at Chunabar Boat House. A separate ticket needs to be purchased for the boat ride to the Paradise Beach. The ticket will be issued at the counter, so you can take the boat ride, which is about 15 minutes from the boat house. Be given life jackets before entering the boat. So I would recommend you to visit this Paradise Beach around 4 to 5 o'clock in the evening. The last boat from Paradise Beach to the Chunabar Boat House is around 5:30. So if you are going at 4 o'clock, it will be a best time, so that it will not be too sunny. You can have a perfect time over there, and then you can be back at the Chunabar Boat House. After 15 minutes of boat ride from Chunabar Boat House, we are here at this Paradise Beach. So I am chilling out here. So in this Paradise Beach, they are conducting a competition for fine art students. This week is considered to be the road safety week. So the fine art students over here, they are doing some stand sculptures. After seeing all those stand sculptures, I'm here sitting next to the beach and chilling some time, and then we have to catch the last boat at 5:30, and then we'll go to the Chunabar Boat House. And I have some exciting thing to do after this, because I'm going to do the street food tour of Pondicherry. So I'm very excited about that. So I'll chill for some time and meet you guys. After that chilling out time, we are about to go begin our street food hunt at Pondicherry. But before that, we thought we would visit another important place at Pondicherry. Manakula Vinayaka temple. This temple was crowded by locals only. The temple was amazing and the paintings was also good, but we are not allowed to have this video camera over there. So we just visited the temple and then we just came back for our street food hunt. So guys, I'm going to end up this vlog right here. I will meet you guys in the part 2 of this day 2 vlog, because I posted a poll for my Instagram followers whether I should post a long video with the street food also included in it, or the part 2 video of this day 2 vlog, and many of them voted for this part 2 video only. So I'm going to post this part 2 vlog soon, so I'll meet you in that video. To watch that video, please do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. We'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep rocking, my lovelies. Bye.